Glen Aulin enchants with its stunning hiking and backpacking allure, boasting captivating landscapes and breathtaking waterfalls. Nestled deep within Yosemite's boundaries, this destination offers a rewarding 12-mile round-trip adventure, delving into the heart of the High Sierra. Although the Glen Aulin High Sierra camp has remained dormant for several years and now appears nearly deserted. However, the cascading waterfalls and emerald waters persist, fashioning an idyllic retreat for nature enthusiasts.